This is the structure of strategy pattern. We'll see how this is implemented in Swift source. Here is the class context. It has variable strategy of type strategy, and here is the method set strategy with parameter value of type strategy. Inside this, it is assigning the parameter value to variable strategy, and here is the method get strategy. Inside this, it returns the variable strategy value and return type is strategy. Here is the method context interface. Inside this, it calls the method algorithm interface of strategy. Here is the protocol strategy. It has method algorithm interface. So this method will be defined in its subclasses. Here is the subclass concrete strategy A derived from strategy, and here it implements the method algorithm interface. Inside this, it has algorithm for concrete strategy A. And here is the another subclass concrete strategy B derived from strategy, and here it implements the method algorithm interface. Inside this, it has algorithm for concrete strategy B, and here is the subclass concrete strategy C derived from strategy, and here it implements the method algorithm interface. Inside this, it has algorithm for concrete strategy C. Okay, we will see how all these classes are used. Here we are creating context object and we are assigning it to variable context of type context. And here we are creating concrete strategy A object, and this object is assigned to variable con strat A. And here we are calling the method set strategy of context, and we are passing variable con strat A as parameter, and this variable is pointing to concrete strategy A. So it will go to set strategy method of context. So it will come here and it will set the variable strategy with this value. The value passed is variable con strat A, which is pointing to concrete strategy A object. So strategy is now concrete strategy A. And then we are calling the method context interface of context. So it will come to context interface of context here, and it will call the algorithm interface of strategy. Strategy is pointing to concrete strategy A object. So it will go to concrete strategy A algorithm interface. So it will come here, and here it will execute the algorithm for concrete strategy A. Here it is just displaying this statement. So this statement will be displayed inside concrete strategy A algorithm interface. Okay. Now here we are creating concrete strategy B object, and that object is assigned to variable con strat B of type concrete strategy B. And here we are calling the method set strategy of context, and we are passing con strat B variable as parameter. So it will go to set strategy of context. It will come here again, and this time strategy will be set with the value which is pointing to concrete strategy B object. Okay. And then we are calling the method context interface of context. So it will come here. It will call the algorithm interface of a strategy. Right now, strategy is pointing to concrete strategy B object. So it will go to concrete strategy B algorithm interface, and it will execute the algorithm for strategy concrete strategy B. Okay. Here we are creating concrete strategy C object, and that object is assigned to variable con strat C of type concrete strategy C. and here we are calling the method set strategy of context, and we are passing constatc as parameter. So it will come here, and this time it will set the strategy with concrete strategy C object, because constat C is pointing to concrete strategy C object. And when we call the method context interface of context, it will come here and it will call the method algorithm interface of strategy. Right now strategy is pointing to concrete strategy C object. So it will go to concrete strategy C algorithm interface, and here it will execute algorithm for strategy concrete strategy C. So we can see we have different strategies, and for different strategies we have different algorithm, and based on the strategy we call the specific algorithm to do the operation.